Thanks for joining us on a series of videos based on drill and ceremony of the Jersey City EMS Honor Guard, a part of the RWJ Barnabas Health System in New Jersey. If you're looking for direction on how to do things when you're a part of an EMS Honor Guard, then you're in the right place. Our Honor Guard is well known, but remains a small group of people working in an agency that is immersed in tradition. Although the way we do things is specific to us, we hope that if you're looking for direction, maybe we can help. How do you know what you're supposed to do? Well, in this video we're going to talk about what is a command. Hi, my name is Mel, and I am the team leader of the Jersey City EMS Honor Guard and founder of EMS Honor Guards of New Jersey. What is a command? Well, there are 2 or 3 parts depending on who you ask. Number 1, who is the command for? This is important because if you're a part of a detail where there are several other people there, the command may not be for you. So part number 1 lets you know that I want your attention. Number 2, the preparatory command. Now you don't move when you hear the preparatory command, but it's letting you know that it's time to get ready for a movement. This will also tell you what the movement is that you're going to do. Keep in mind that if you are a flag bearer, which means you are holding a flag, this might involve some movement. But generally, you don't move when the preparatory command is happening. Number 3, the command of execution. The command of execution is one word, and it might not sound like it's spelled. This is why you need to practice and get to know your team leader so you know what their commands sound like. Follow out the command immediately after you hear the command of execution. This differs a little bit if you are marching. With very few exceptions while marching, the command will be given on the left foot and the command will be followed out on the next left step. Conversely, if the command is given on the right foot, the command is followed out on the next right step. I know this sounds a little confusing, but we'll clear this all up later. Pause. I think I need to clarify something. 98% of the commands that happen while you are marching are given on the left foot. Very, very, very few commands are given on the right foot. And we'll touch on that a little bit later on. Remember, eyes forward and no moving unless you are marching until that command of execution is given. As a note, if you are the one giving the command, you must be in the position of attention. If you are a regular member of the Honor Guard or Color Guard, you can stop here and move on to the next video. If you are the team leader or might be in the position of being the team leader on your Honor Guard, this part is for you. Now, on to a short voice lesson. There are 3 tips I can give you to improve the way that you give commands. Number 1, speak loudly and as clear as possible. And as ridiculous as it sounds, you must give commands with your mouth open. Nobody is going to understand you if your mouth is halfway closed and you're giving commands like this. This will also ensure that you don't mumble. Number 2, take a deep breath in, not with your chest, but with your belly. Use your diaphragm to push the air all the way down into the bottom of your lungs. When you are giving commands, make every effort to use your belly or your diaphragm to push the air out. This way you'll get more volume that way. It also helps if you're standing straight up. You need to give your lungs the best opportunity to get the most air inside of it. As medical providers, you know that if you slouch, you're not giving your lungs enough room to expand. Number 3, when giving a command, your voice must have command presence. Things that help are speaking with a lower tone of voice. This is especially difficult for females. Studies have proven that people are more likely to pay attention when you speak with a lower tone of voice. What do all female reporters have in common? They have all been trained to speak at a lower tone. Check it out next time you're listening to the news. All of these things together will make sure that your voice is heard and that people understand what you are trying to tell them. In the next video, we'll talk about the position of attention. Thanks for watching.